Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. And then you have to go to all services and you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. And then click next. Click allow. Click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.